Yo, what's good YouTube? It's Turco, and in today's video, I'm going to be telling you about how I lubed my membrane keyboard. Yeah, I know it's weird, though it helped. So, yeah. One thing I did, it's really bad. I don't fucking know what it is. I'm still swearing. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna cut that. There's foam. I added foam to this, and then I took every single switch out, and then I lubed with like a focus. Okay, I lubed with a brush, and it sounds like this. It doesn't sound that bad, so it kind of helped. I'm getting a new keyboard anyways, and I'm gonna do a review on that. I think it's gonna be the Razer Huntsman. Don't know which one yet. The Razer Huntsman, probably the tournament edition or the mini. I don't know. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you how I loop these. It's kind of weird. So yeah.